guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install a QBittorrent on Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, it is easy, just to command. First we will add the repository, and after that install QBittorrent. Okay, open terminal and copy the first command. And press enter to continue. So no need to update because on Ubuntu 18.04 it will automatically update. So let's take the latest command and clear this, and yes, continue. So it's time now to install and download. Please wait. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to follow our news. You will find every day new tutorial. Okay, the installation is finished. Let's open now QBittorrent. So go to search for QBittorrent and open, and I will agree. So this is QBittorrent. Here to see the file downloading. So just download the torrent file and add it. Double click and it will open here. So let's check the version together. And this is the version 4.0.4. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.